Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. We have today for you a 2022 BOBCAT CT4045 compact tractor. This tractor has just 100 hours on it. It's a very, very nice tractor, well equipped. One nice feature this really has on it, a lot of guys want, and it's probably $2,000 to put them on. This does have a set of front auxiliary hydraulics on it with standard 1/2-inch flat face couplers on it already. We actually used this tractor in featuring some other videos for some of the grapple products that we sell from CID Extreme. Very nice tractor. It handles very well. Very impressed with this tractor. This does going to have the FL9 quick attach style loader on it with standard skid steer mount. Has an OEM BOBCAT style bucket that is correct for a tractor. Grill guard is on it. R4 tires. It is going to have your Galaxy 17.5L 24s in the rear. Up front is going to be a standard 10/16/5 tire. This tractor is still under factory powertrain warranty until March of 2026. So you have warranty on this tractor, and emissions is until March of 2027. So we're going to start walking around this tractor. We're going to show you all about it. Two things I am going to mention. I have for this tractor, it was used one time. It is an FM 72 3-point hitch finish mower that's available for this tractor, sold separately. And I do have a brand new BOBCAT OEM ballast box for this tractor that is for sale separately. If you are interested in a package price, please let me know. I'll gladly work that out for you. If you want the tractor and the ballast box, we'll make a deal there. But understand you are buying a like-new tractor. We have done a complete and full service at 100 hours. We've marked all of our filters. I ordered all OEM BOBCAT filters so that it was done and taken care of. Very nice tractor, very, very clean, something that somebody is honestly looking for in today's market. Underneath the hood, let me go ahead and pop that for you. It's going to be powered by a 3-cylinder engine. It's going to start, run excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by. Obviously, tractor is under warranty. Very clean. These are a turboed engine in these, which is pretty cool. It does have extremely good power. Everything show them underneath there. Very nice, very clean. Again, very happy to own this tractor because it is so nice. Again, we have changed all the filters and oils. You can see here on the hood, hood is excellent shape, not dinged or dented. There's one stone chip right there. Does have the front mounted grill guard. And as we talked about earlier, right here is going to be your standard 1/2-inch flat face fittings for interfacing with skid steer, different skid steer attachments. Up front, OEM BOBCAT bucket. You can see virtually no wear on the cutting edge. Very clean. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. Power steering, 540 PTO. Again, beautiful tractor. Folding ROPS here in the rear. Tractor has the factory OEM top link. Right here you're going to have a light cord plug if you have like a little dump trailer. It has lights on it. There is a toolbox back here. Matter of fact, there is the OEM PTO cover and some other miscellaneous stuff. Basically some shims and different things when you're hooking up attachments. 540 PTO, drawbar with drawbar, and the 3-point shows the tail. One other nice thing they've done on these tractors, when you're hooking up an attachment, you have a lever back here, which is kind of nice to help you hook up your attachments. One other nice thing this tractor has, and they were never used, right here, does have one set of rear remotes on it, which is very nice. So if you wanted to pull a hay tedder or something like that, you could with this tractor. I'm going to head to this side. Ben, if you want to head to this side, we'll go over some controls. So you're going to have a 3-range hydrostatic transmission, low, medium, and high range. On this side, you're going to have a cup holder and a little change tray. Here, you're going to actually have your 4-wheel drive, in and out, locking differential. You have your independent braking. On this side, you're going to have your PTO in and out, your lever for your remote auxiliary hydraulic, and your up and down for your 3-point hitch. I'm going to go ahead and hop in the seat, and I'll show you the rest of the stuff. So, you do have a tilt wheel here, tilt steering wheel by flipping that lever. You're going to have your horn, 4-ways turn signals. You're going to see here in the dash, let me turn the key on. You're going to have 100 hours on this tractor, 100.1 fuel gauge, tachometer, temperature, 4-ways throttle. You have your 2 throttle pedals down here, independent, joystick loader control. And what is nice on this tractor, they're actually utilizing an actual pilot controlled joystick, which is nice. It has a different feel to it, but it is very, very nice, very responsive. And then up here, you will have your two buttons up here on top, focus, camera, for your auxiliary hydraulics. Guys, I'm going to take this time to start this tractor. We're going to run it around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. Turn my four ways on. So I've owned several of these. I think they're a very nice tractor. Seem to be very well built. You do have a good availability, obviously, through Bobcat for your parts and service. Four-wheel drive out. I'm going to just slide that back ahead. So, we're in low range. So that's low range forward, low range reverse. I'm going to go ahead, we're going to change ranges to medium. I'm going to go ahead and tilt my steering wheel. This tractor does have cruise control. Power steering is very nice. High range. So we'll go back, front end loader work, we'll go ahead and go in there. There you have float, back here is down pressure. Loader joystick is extremely smooth. So there again, 3-point down, 3-point up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the PTO on. You'll see the PTO spinning. Shut the PTO off. Again, nice built loader, all the hoses, everything is routed nice, it's clean. And it is, it's a very nice, clean tractor. So, one other thing I'll show you here, we're gonna go flip the cruise control on, set that, so it's gonna do its thing. Let's see, I have to have my PTO engaged. So there that is, I just canceled it. Pretty slick setup. We have four ways, we have turn signals, everything there works the way it's supposed to. Guys, there's a lot of tractor here for what this tractor is going to be priced for. What do I want to say? There's a lot of, as far as I'm concerned, it's a lot of horsepower for a little bit of money in a nice size tractor. So you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website. We'll gladly get you a shipping quote if you need a shipping quote to get this tractor to your location. Again, if you're interested in those other attachments, please let me know. We will be glad to work with you. It won't be a problem at all. Any interest in this 2022 BOBCAT CT4045 compact tractor, and this is getting on the realm of a very big compact tractor. I like this size of tractor. You can really get something done. Please give us a call, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.